everyone, today we are doing exercise 6.4 fourth question, and this question is quite important. So this is a class 7th triangles and its property chapter. We're doing exercise 6.4 fourth question. So the question is, ABCD is a quadrilateral and they're asking us, is AB plus BC plus CD plus GA is greater than AC plus BD? And here we have a quadrilateral ABCD. So let's start doing this. So first we're going to consider triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, we will going to apply the property that sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than third side. So here we'll assume that we'll just take that AB plus BC is greater than the third side, which is CA, or you can write AC. So we'll take it as equation 1. Now we'll consider triangle DAC. So in triangle DAC, again same rule, sum of two sides is greater than third side. So we'll add AD and DC is greater than AC. We'll take it as equation 2. Now we'll consider triangle DCB. So in triangle DCB, DC plus CB is greater than third side, which is DB. So this is equation 3. We'll go to the fourth triangle we're going to consider, that is triangle DAB. So in triangle DAB, we can write DA plus AB is greater than DB, and this is our fourth equation. Now what we'll do, we're going to add all the equation. So we'll write down here, add equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. So by doing this, we're going to add all the left hand part and right hand part. Left hand part means all this AB plus BC, AD plus GC, DC plus CB and DA plus EB, all left hand side will get add up and all the right hand side get add up. So we'll add this. We'll start here with the first equation, that is AB plus BC. I'm adding first the left hand part, and in second equation we have AD plus DC, and in third equation we have DC plus CB, and the fourth equation we have DA plus AB. Now this is greater than, now the right hand part. In right hand part we have AC in the first equation, in second equation again we have a AC, in third equation we have a DB, and in fourth equation again DB. Now what we'll do, we're going to add the common terms. For example, here AB and AB is repeating 2 times, so we'll write it down, 2AB plus BC, and again here we have a CB, both are same, so this is 2 times of BC. Now AD, so AD and again we have DA, both are same, so this is twice of AD. And the last one is DC plus DC, which is twice of DC, is greater than, here on the right hand side AC plus AC is twice of AC, plus again DB plus DB is twice of DB, or 2 DB. If you see, throughout the equation 2 is present, so we can take 2 common out, so we'll get 2 outside, and bracket will get AB plus BC plus AD plus DC. This is greater than, again here we'll take out 2 common, so we'll get AC plus DB. So we can cancel 2 on the both the side, or you can transpose 2 to the other side, which are both same. So we can cancel 2, this 2 and this 2, because 2 are present on both the side. Now we are left with AB plus BC plus AD plus DC. is greater than AC plus DB, and this is what they have asked in the question. You can write DB or BD, both are same. So hence we have showed that AB plus BC plus AD plus GC is greater than AC plus GB. This is what we have to show. I hope you have understood how we got the solution. If you have any question, you can leave a comment, and thank you so much for watching.